Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make Lebanese night dessert or Layali Lubnan or Semolina pudding. This delicious and aromatic dessert is made from a rich semolina pudding topped with a layer of cream, sprinkled with chopped pistachios and drizzled with syrup. For the custard layer, we need 4 cups of milk mixed with 3/4 cup semolina or Sooji, half cup of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of rose water and orange blossom water. For the custard layer in a pot, combine all the ingredients except vanilla and place over medium heat and bring to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once it starts boil, you can reduce the heat to low and keep cooking and make sure to stirring occasionally until the mixture thickens, and it takes about 10 minutes. Now the custard layer is ready. You can turn off the heat. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir it well. You can transfer to a glass dish and allow it to cool while you are making the cream layer. For the cream layer, we need 1.5 cup of heavy cream mixed with 2 tablespoons of sugar, in another cup, take 2/3 cup of milk, regular milk. You can mix with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir it well and set aside. Heat the heavy cream and sugar. Once the mixture comes to a boil, you can reduce to medium-low heat. Pour in the cornstarch slurry mixture and stir until it thickens. Now the cream layer is ready. You can turn off the heat. Pour over the semolina layer and spread evenly. Let it cool to room temperature. Cover and then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Now we have to make the sugar syrup. I'm here using 2/3 cup of sugar and adding 2/3 cup of water, and you can add 1 teaspoon of rose water and orange blossom water, and we need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Let it boil for 7 minutes and you can remove from heat and set aside until it's ready to serve. After refrigeration, you can sprinkle some chopped pistachio on top of the cake. You can garnish with some dried rose petals also, that's optional. When ready to serve, you can cut into squares or personal portions and drizzle with syrup and enjoy. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.